The Dona Marilyn is the wreck of a passenger ferry, which rests north of Malapascua Island in the Cebu province of the Philippines. The wreck is covered in beautiful black corals and is home to lots of fishes, like trevallies and fusiliers. Recently, an illegal salvaging operation destroyed parts of the wreck. It's still a fantastic dive, though parts of it look like a bizarre scramble of steel. If you would like to learn more about this case of wreck vandalism, check out the June edition of the German magazine Tower. Also check out Stefan Beers' Wracktauchen in den Philippinen.